Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today is the first shelf-stable pantry collaboration of 2023, and as many of you guys know, I've been down with a back issue, not doing a whole lot, uh, and having major problems with my asthma right now. So I am not going to physically make this meal, but I'm going to show you what I would be doing if I was able to actually stand and make this tonight. Um, so this is going to be all shelf stable. Thankfully, I would have my Thrive Life, which I've been using to make easy meals, especially soups and things like that right now that I can make. So to make a hearty fettuccine alfredo, I have my own fettuccine alfredo sauce that I bought. You guys can make your own and can it without the dairy in it, which is a little bit tough to do. But you can can the ingredients and then add the milk after. Sorry, you guys. Really having a hard time here. I have some rotini noodles left over that I would be using for this, and some spinach, some red bell pepper, some zucchini, and then of course chicken, and these are the chicken slices through Thrive. I prefer these over the chicken dices, which are really good and perfect for soups, but these are very big. This is, compared to my finger, these are chunks, and these come out very nice. So I would probably also, excuse me, use maybe a few more vegetables, depending on what you have. And you don't have to put spinach in it or whatever, but you can add just about anything. So I really like the spinach. I like the zucchini. I love the bell pepper. I would probably add some sliced onion to it, and of course garlic. And that's always shelf stable because I dehydrate my own and then I grind it when I need it. So what I would be doing, since I'm not going to be able to stand here and show you sitting right now, is I would put this on the stove, and to be shelf stable, you can add some Thrive instant milk, which I don't have right here. I have on hand plenty. And I would make up about a cup of the instant milk. Now, you don't have to use Thrive. You can use any kind of instant milk, as long as it's shelf stable, and add it to this. Put it on in your saucepan, and then add your freeze-dried ingredients to that as you're heating up the sauce. When that's all done, of course, cook your noodles in a separate pot with water. Always want to have water on hand as well. When that's all done, these will all be refreshed, and they will be absolutely perfect and ready to go. And they're already going to be in your sauce, so they're going to be ready to put on your noodles. I'm really sorry that I don't have a video to show you guys this month. Hopefully I'll be back on my feet by next month. Hopefully by next week. I don't like staying down. We are going to have some videos coming up. Some talking videos and some updates on what I'm actually going through. Because I know many of you guys don't know that, are from the other channels coming to see the Shelf Stable Pantry collaboration. So I'm also was going to do the Pantry Challenge this month, and usually do Canuary. I will be canning, and probably doing my own little shelf stable or pantry challenge, because I need to go through my pantry, and I'll take you guys along with that when when I'm able to do that, and go through my freezers. I'm going to be canning a lot of things through there too. But for now, this is the shelf stable pantry collaboration, and my version of it. This is such an easy meal, you guys, to put together. Very easy. Stuff I always have on hand. If you guys are not Thrive Life customers, I would love to be your consultant. Thrive Life is wonderful to have on hand. especially for winter. We are actually expecting a storm tomorrow that's supposed to be flooding, 70-mile-an-hour winds, and power outages. So this is probably going to be my meal tomorrow night, that my husband can put together. So very, very good to have on hand. Just make sure that you have some liquid. Does not have to be water. You can have your own home broth, stocks, things like that. It doesn't have to be water, you guys, but always have water on hand to drink. So yeah, really, really good to have on hand. My link for the Thrive Life is in the description box. And as always, if you have any questions, just email me, thecanningnana@gmail.com. I am available for emails since I'm in bed and not doing much of anything. Yeah, if you want to email me, I'm available for now anyway, for hopefully just for the next few days. But hopefully this passes soon. Prayers are appreciated if you pray, and hopefully I'll get through this and we'll be good. So shelf-stable pantry collaboration recipe for January. Here it is, and it's just fettuccine alfredo primavera. So super simple. Thanks for watching, you guys. We're going to do a word of the day. Going to start doing giveaways again. Got to still do that crock pot giveaway, as well as several others. And so the word of the day today is going to be fettuccine. So if you guys have anything else that you like to add to your fettuccine, if you've tried the Thrive Life in your instant meals, let me know. Thrive Life also has these amazing meal. I think I've showed you guys one of them with the rotini. My son actually just tried and he loved it, so he's ordering some now. I got him one for Christmas, and he thought it was terrific. And so easy. He said it was a 40-minute meal that took 10 minutes to make. So there's a good plug for you guys. Yeah, the meals are really good. The food is good. And like now comes in handy. So here you go. Fettuccine Alfredo Primavera. Shelf stable. Thanks for watching, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. There's a lot more coming, and please comment the word of the day below, and please like this video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push my YouTubes out, and I really appreciate that right now because I'm just not getting videos out like I normally do. Go back and watch any videos that you want. Go through my playlists. I have videos on everything. I've got over 1,000 videos out there. On everything from canning, gardening, cooking, recipes, dehydrating, Thrive Life, freeze-dried food, food storage, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, and if you have any questions, like I said, just email me. You can leave a comment too, but I am available to answer any emails that you'd like. So I will see you guys soon. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys, and thank you for watching.